Well, let's talk about the politics here because it doesn't seem to end surrounding the UP Sambal area when it comes to the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, who himself has targeted the state government, stating that his party does not believe in dwelling in the past but charting new paths for the future. However, there's a UP minister who stated that if a mandir is found somewhere, people from other communities should accept it and live in harmony.
इस देश के कंकड़ कंकड़ में शंकर का निवास है। ये जगह जगह मंदिर हैं और किस तरीके से ये हमारे गुलामी के प्रतीकों को हम ध्वस्त करते हुए जगह जगह इस तरीके से मंदिर निकलेंगे और पूरे सौहार्दपूर्ण वातावरण में हम सबसे अपील करते हैं, अगर धार्मिक आस्था के साथ छेड़छाड़ होती है तो वो ठीक नहीं है और अगर कहीं पर मंदिर मिलता है तो दूसरे धर्म के लोगों को भी बहुत सहजता के साथ इसको स्वीकार करना चाहिए और उसको उसका स्थान दे देना चाहिए।
Well, Pradeep Datta, who's joining us live right now. Pradeep, you're there at the mandir again. We are looking at the puja and the aarti that is taking place this morning as well. Exactly what all has been found within the mandir complex, and we're also told that the team from the ASI would be coming there.
Yes, right now I'm outside the temple that was opened after 46 years. For 46 years, not a single person came out to this lane. But now you can see large number of people turning up this morning. You can see these young kids, the family members who are performing aarti. Puja is being performed. It was only a few days back when administration came out to this place as a part of anti-encroachment drive. That was the time they stumbled upon this temple. They found the big lock hanging here. And this finally, when they opened the lock, inside they found there's, you can see the idol of Hanumana, then you can see that Lord Shiva's, that Shivling also there. And since then, now the gates are open, the people in large number turn up to this place. And it's a kind of a closure for the people here because for 46 years, they had been living with that trauma of 1978, right, that had triggered exodus of Hindus from this particular area. And let me show you, not only this temple, because they've also found the well also. This, when the excavation was done, they found the well. And now you'll find that the diyas are being lighted here, puja is being performed here. 24/7 their police personnel are deployed here to ensure and kind of a security. Even CCTV cameras have also been installed because they do not want any kind of a trouble. But the good thing is that even the people from the Muslim community, since for the last few days, they are also coming over to this place. They are giving a befitting reply to that divisive politics that certain people are playing. Because for the people here, it is not about dwelling past, it is about closure. Because opening of temple is a kind of closure. As you were showing the report earlier, where I was able to interact with the Rastogi family, they said for 46 years we were not able to come out to this place, but with the opening of this temple, once again the reconnect has been established. They came out to this place. It has generated a kind of a confidence among people also that now they can come back to their place. They can think of settling back in Sambal area because at that point of time when riots took place, many of the shops were gutted, many people were killed. As per official estimate, over 100 people lost their lives. And since then, many of the people had fled from this area. आज एक बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे, कितना खुशी का माहौल है यहाँ पे पूजा हो रही है।
विद्याधरणं तमेव तमेव सर्वं मम देव देवो। हाँ जी, यहाँ बहुत उत्साह है हिंदू समाज में और श्रद्धा भाव से नित्य प्रतिदिन यहाँ सुंदरकांड का पाठ, हनुमान चालीसा और अनेकों पूजा पाठ, यज्ञ हवन और भगवान महामृत्युंजय का जाप हिंदू समाज की रक्षा के लिए सर्वदा चलता है।
बच्चे औरतें यहाँ पे आके आरती हो रही है, ओम जय जगदीश सहारे।
जी 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 देखिएगा, यहाँ जो है ये तीर्थ स्थान है, संबल में 68 तीर्थ हैं, उसमें से एक तीर्थ ये कार्तिकेय महादेव तीर्थ है और अमृतकूप महा है, आपने देखा होगा।
अमृतकूप के हमें बताएंगे।
19 अमृतकूप है, तो एक ये अमृतकूप में उत्तम कूप है और यहाँ पर जो है इसका जलपान करने से अकाल मृत्यु नहीं होती है और जिन बच्चों का विवाह दीर्घ आयु में होता है और ये कहा जाता है इस कुएं के स्नान से उन बच्चों का अतिशीघ्र विवाह हो जाता है और घर सुखी संसार होता है और इसीलिए आज इन कूपों को अमृत कूप कहा गया है। इनका जल नहीं अमृत है।
मैं देख रहा हूँ कि आज बड़ा भावुक क्षण है आप लोगों के लिए। मैं जो भी लोग आ रहे हैं उनकी आंखों में आंसू भी देखता हूँ, खुशी का माहौल भी देखता हूँ। 46 वर्ष आप इस मंदिर से दूर रहे, कैसा लगता रहा?
देखिएगा, ऐसा है कि बड़े वो तो संकट की बात है, बड़े दुख की बात है। हमारा हृदय भी रोता है कि हमारे ठाकुर जी, हमारे नारायण, हमारे भोलेनाथ जी और समस्त देवता यहाँ मंदिर में बंद रहे। ये हमारा दुर्भाग्य है कह लीजिएगा, लेकिन यह विपक्ष जो है कभी नहीं चाहेगा कि यहाँ पूजा पाठ हो। लेकिन ये श्री योगी जी माननीय आदरणीय, उनको मैं चरण स्पर्श करता हूँ। श्री महाराज जी हमारे योगी जी और मोदी जी, उनकी ही कृपा से और प्रशासन के बल से और संघर्ष से ये मंदिर का खोला गया, इस पे अतिक्रमण हटाया गया और हमारे सीओ साहब जी और एसपी साहब जी, एसडीएम साहब जी और हमारे कप्तान जी, उन्होंने
The people are quite happy, the people are quite excited because finally the gates have been thrown open for the devotees. As you rightly said, the Archaeological Survey of India team will be coming over to this place. They were supposed to come today, but now they will be coming tomorrow. 4-member team will be here because already administration has written a letter to them because they will be coming here for the carbon dating. Carbon dating will help them know how old this temple is, because some people believe it's a 500-year-old, some people say it's 100-year-old. The only carbon dating will help people know age of this temple. But one thing is quite clear, because 46 years back the temple was here. That means it must be more than 70 to 80 if we go by the estimate. But people feel that it's more than that. So carbon dating will only decide the age of this temple. And let me show you again. You can see that how excited here the people are. The security deployment here, and they are trying to ensure that everything remains peaceful here. But the best thing is that even the Muslim community here, they come out to this place. They're also happy with the opening of the temple. They are giving a befitting reply to the kind of the divisive politics that is still being played, because they are the one who are trying to ensure that people live peacefully in this area and they do not face any kind of a problem here in this region. Because for 46 years, people were prevented from coming over to this place because of the fear. Now it's a kind of a closure for them, because once again the reconnect with the Lord Shiva has been established, and we can see the devotees in large number coming up. And as the day will pass by, you'll see large number of people here performing puja, raising Jai Shri Ram slogan, Bam Bam Bole, Jai Mahadev slogans that will reverberate this area, because that is what actually we had been seeing here since yesterday when the puja was performed. And here again you will find that. Let me show you again. This is the well, the excavation work. So the administration is saying that they will continue with the excavation work, and they will not stop it, because there are the people are saying there are some more temples in this area. Let's see how they will find out. But it was just few days back, because of the anti-encroachment drive, that they came out to know about this temple, because mostly nobody was passing by this lane and nobody had an idea the temple existed here. The moment they came out to this place, they saw this temple, they finally opened the lock. This was the lock that was hanging there, and now you can see that everything here, the lock have been opened. Let me show you again. Inside of the temple, you can see that there is a shivling, and then there is Lord Hanumana's idol also, and then the pujas are being performed here. So this is a very important moment for the people here, important moment for the devotees, because for 46 years they were kept away from this temple because of the fear, because of the divisive politics, because certain people, they never wanted that inclusive atmosphere, they wanted exclusivity, and it is because of that reason they were not able to come out to this place. Now they have tears in their eyes, smile on their faces, and they carrying the devotion in their heart, and it is with that devotion they are here, and they pray that once again they should live together happily, perform puja, and there is no more problem here in Sambal region.
All right. So following the discovery of the idols and the well in the complex as well, the Sambal administration also writing to the ASI to carry out urban dating of the shrine. Of course, the team that is expected to arrive by tomorrow. But when it comes to the reaction